and shout.
Welcome to the Big Brian Show.
Nice. Hey, what's up, guys? Let's take a ride to the recycling place and to the Amish grocery store. Oh, yeah. He's ready. Hunzo, you ready to go buy us? You ready to go buy us? She loves to go buy us. Let me put a leash on her. Such a beautiful day today, guys. Gorgeous. Hunzo. Get in here. Come on, nosy. She smells everything. Beautiful day today. Just a short drive to Walmart. Uh-oh, hang on, Zoe. There's Walmart over there. It's kind of busy for a Tuesday morning. Day after Labor Day. There's Wally World. I haven't been over there in a long time. I get stuff from Walmart. I order it off online. I haven't been inside the place in a while. Ever since COVID, I stopped going. Because I used to go at night. And then they stopped. I used to go early in the morning. Sorry, buddy. I'm trying to go over here. There we go. Plastic bottles. Yes, sir. That's what we got. Plastic bottles. And these are the recycles. They got cans, plastic bottles. Actually, not as full as I thought it would be. See, that's full. And they got boxes over here. Okay, guys, now we're going to the Amish store. Amish Grocery Store. Oh, yeah. Beautiful day. Look at that. Beautiful. Go, guys. This is the new Amish grocery store, Bellamont Market. Bella Market. Check it out, guys. This is the real Amish market here. Let's get some onions. Ooh, there's all those fruit flies. I don't like that. They got all kind of stuff in here, as you can see. Look at this. Look at all of the potato chips. I'm heading down this way. Martin's. Sea salt and vinegar. One of those. We got batteries. So much stuff. Books. There you go. Make it big for you. I need some sugar, bread. Not a bad price, $1.79. Get that. Need sugar. My coffee. Oops. There we go. I'll take you guys down every aisle. Look at all the candy they got. I don't need none of that. All the stuff they got in here. Crackers. More candy. Lots of candy. Wow. These biscuits are good. Not for no $7.50 though. Little chocolate. I like these. Might have to get one of these. 89 cents. Oh yeah, man, look at that. Lindor's, yes. 29 cents a piece. Wow, that's good stuff right there. Look at this aisle, guys. Got breadcrumbs, flour. A lot of this stuff is Amish made too. I do need some dairy cream. Pam Original. Syrup. Look at that. They got all kind of flour. Coconut flour. All-purpose bacon flour. Look at that. Brown rice flour. Woo. They got stuff I never even heard of. Peter Pan almond butter. Skippy. Crab seafood seasoning. Wow. I don't think they can mess with Old Bay though. But hey. See that? I'm gonna try this Cajun spice seasoning. Crab seafood seasoning. Got me. Got me. Got all kind of vinegar. spaghetti sauce. I like Prego. I like Prego, and I like Hunt's. Got a lot of stuff in here, don't they? Let's check over here in the freezer. Oh yeah, ice cream. Pizza. A lot of stuff. They got all kind of chicken stuff in here. Look at that. Shrimp. All kind of stuff in here. Bacon. Let's try this bacon right here. Look at all the frozen stuff they got. I'm just gonna save time, guys. Can't show you everything because I don't have that much memory, but I'm gonna get some fries. Let's try these. Never had that. Let's get these. And more French fries. One more bag. Try this bag. Lots of stuff. Look at that, guys. 100% beef patties. I'm gonna try that for $4.60. Why not? More bacon, more hot dogs. Butter. That's what I need. I need some butter. Unsalted butter. Oh yeah, and this, I like this stuff. I had that the last time. And let's get some tea. Peach tea. Lemon tea. I like lemon tea. Okay. Look at that, guys. They got raw milk. So I got what? I got the turkey breast and I got the roast beef.
Yeah.
Okay. And a pound of cheese, mild cheddar cheese. And 1 pound of corned beef. That's it. Yeah, guys. Amish don't like being videotaped, so I didn't videotape her. But yeah, they got everything. Now I gotta get some dog food for Zoe. Let's see. They got good prices on dog food too. I know Zoe tore these things up last time. I'm gonna get her those. And Zoe likes these. That dog is so picky. She'd rather eat table food, of course, but she will eat this stuff. I think I'm done for right now. Give you guys more tour of all the stuff that's in this place. Look at all the cleaning products they have. All the way down there. All the way on this side. Look at all that. Hope I'm not moving too fast so you guys can get a good look. A lot of stuff in here. This is the Amish store. You don't find too many of these. They just opened too about a month ago. that stuff. I don't even think I've been down this aisle. Look at this stuff. Oh, there's my stuff, man. Arizona. African. I've never even heard of this one. Look at that. African red tea. Oh, hello, sir. How you doing? Making a video about your store. Good store. Great store. You Amish too, right? Okay. Yep. I'm not going to put you on video. Thank you. Do you have tomatoes and lettuce? Lettuce and tomato? Oh, right over there. Yeah, I see it now. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna have to try this too. Country Time strawberry lemonade. No artificial. Okay. All right. Let's get that. All right, guys. Hope I brought enough money with me today. It's funny how you come in here to just to get certain things, and next thing you know, you done went over your budget. More seasoning. Pure ground ginger. Ginger's good for your stomach. Let's try that. There we go. Lettuce and tomato, guys. And I'm pretty much done. Look at that. All from the Amish. And they got eggs too, guys. Walk right past it. Okay, guys. Finished shopping and stuff came to $91. Heading back home. That was the Amish grocery store. A lot of stuff in there. Woo, it's busy, busy, busy now. It's noon. So I can get out of here without getting hit. Spent more money than I wanted to. Hey, it's all good.